Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmess Day 1. Once again, I am woefully unprepared for Vlogmess. December really snuck up on me, but I will do my best to post one video per day leading up to Christmas. And I figured what better way to start than with my Black Friday shopping haul. We were traveling for Thanksgiving this year, so I was at a different shopping center that I wasn't familiar with. I didn't know where the stores were. It was just kind of crazy. So I didn't do much shopping in store, but there were so many amazing Cyber Monday, Cyber Week deals that are still going on right now. I'm filming this the day before. Hopefully this goes up. I'm filming this November 30, and some of these deals are still active. But starting off with what I got my kids, I have 3 boys. I got them the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. I've already shared the Lego Marvel Advent Calendar. They have different, versions. There's a Harry Potter one, there's like a Lego and Friends, but this is the Star Wars one, and this opens up. My kids already opened it up. So you have the little scene that you set up here. You can just lay this flat. Each day is a different character or design. They already opened up day 1. I don't know where it is. They already lost it. Yeah, these were on sale. I think I saw these for about 30 something. These are normally like 40 or 45, but they love it. Lego Advent Calendar. This is such a great gift for anyone who loves Legos. That is what the front looks like. You have all the different Star Wars characters, and my kids like to mix up the different worlds and have all the characters just frolic in their little Lego universes. For clothes, I got my kids new Adidas tracksuits. We all have the matching sets with the jackets and the pants. This one is mine. Look how tiny and cute this little jacket is. There were so many great Adidas sales, so I had to restock on their jackets, and then I got so many pieces for me and my husband so that we can all match in our 3-stripe Adidas tracksuits. I also got new matching pajamas. I love this black and red buffalo check onesie. I love that this has a hood, and I got a bigger size for my middle son who outgrew his. As they outgrow the year before, I try to have them fit into the hand-me-downs of their older brother, but sometimes it doesn't quite work out, so I have to get a new size. But I got a new onesie, and then I got my dog a matching little onesie. It is so cute. Last December, we got a German Shepherd puppy, Charlie. She is so cute. She's almost fully grown now, so this year I got her a matching little pajama set so she can match with the rest of the family. And even though I already have the full onesie, I got a pair of shorts. And then for me, I got a new set of the pajamas because I wanted the matching top, and then I wanted a set of joggers. The ones I had already were the like loose fitting pajamas, but these are so cuter. It's a lot slimmer, and I just couldn't resist. Now again, most of my shopping was done online, either on Black Friday or the following Cyber Monday or just all of Cyber Week. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram because that's where I post the best deals, the sales, all the gifts with purchase. One gift with purchase that I just could not resist, and I placed an order but it hasn't come to me yet. I just wanted to share with you, from Fenty Beauty. They had this really cool gift with purchase. They had this deal going on. It pretty much changed every day. The promo was pretty much 25% off site-wide, and then you get a free gift with a $125 purchase, I believe, or $150. And the gift changed, but I just couldn't pass this one up. This is that very popular travel makeup bag where it zips open all the way and it opens up very wide and very flat. So it's great for travel because you can see all your makeup, but then it packs up really nice and compact. So I had to get it. I think this promo is over, but they might have a different promo. So again, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And also here on YouTube, I post in my community tab whatever the latest promo is. But from Fenty, I just stocked up on their skincare travel bundle. I also got a hand mask. It's supposed to be like a really nourishing hand mask that you wear overnight. And then I also got a hand cream that has SPF because I was like, oh my gosh, that makes so much sense. You need to put SPF on your hands. So I got a hand cream with SPF, and and then I got a brush set because I always hear a lot of good things about Fenty brushes, but I don't own any of them. And so they had a gift set, like a gift bundle. So I thought, why not? I'll get it. So anyway, now then I qualified for the gift. And then for activewear from Aloe Yoga, I got a ton of stuff. I also got a tote bag. When you purchase from Aloe directly, which this is the first time I've been buying from Aloe, like from the store or from their website directly. I usually buy from Nordstrom, but when you sign up with their like Aloe members program, which is free, you get a ton of free gifts. So I got this bag for free. I got this pair of socks for free just from like all my spending. I got another body lotion, full-size body lotion. And you guys, I just got a ton of stuff. I got a ton of activewear. This is the Real Bra Tank. I love their activewear, especially their sports bras and long line bras. When I work out, I usually do Pilates or bar. So I like to have very fitted clothes. I love their sports bras. I got the high waist bike short, and then this is the Airlift Energy short. This is the seamless ribbed favorite bra tank. So again, you can see there's a trend here. I love when it just has a ton of support and it's more of a long line. So it's almost like a cropped fitted tank top, but with a built-in bra. But these are sports bras. This one's nice because it has an adjustable strap. I got their Muse hoodie in navy, and unfortunately the navy color now is completely sold out, but I also got it in black. I got pretty much everything in black. So I got the Muse set in black and the navy hoodie, and then the Accolade sweatpants and crew neck, which I've already been wearing. So it's like in the wash right now, but I just love their activewear, and everything was 30% off, and I get like a ton of stuff free. So, but yeah, they just have a great rewards program, and I love redeeming all the points for all these little gifts. Another activewear order that I placed online, and I'm still waiting for it to arrive, is from PopFlex Active, because they had this really amazing promo for a free, like this huge tote bag. It's called a super bag, gigantic. I love the color, I love the white and the light blue. But this was free with, I believe, a $100 order. I think I ordered just a hoodie and sweatpants. You know, I'm always walking the dog now. I'm outside. I'm always throwing on sweatpants. I actually love PopFlex Active. I have a ton of workout gear and workout clothes from PopFlex Active. I just love how everything fits. It's designed so well, and it just looks really cute on. So check them out if you haven't already. And then another activewear order from Viore, which is this brand out of California. I love their workout clothes. They are so smooth and soft. It's not like super thick. It's so comfortable. But they were offering a free beanie with purchase of like 100 or 150. So I got this two jumpsuits. One of them was on sale. I got the Luxe jumpsuit, which I already own this in a few different colors. Actually, both of these jumpsuits I already own in different colors. This one was on sale. I like this because it covers my shoulders. And then this is more for like the summer. But I just got these two, and then I got this free beanie, which I don't really wear beanies, but my kids do. So I figured they can wear it if I don't want it. I placed an order with Tatcha, and it just arrived. I believe their promo was 25% off site-wide, and then you get a free mystery gift with like $150 or $200 order. But they have this set where, so this bag is free, this little travel bag. It has little wristlets, and then you also choose 3 different minis. So I chose the rice wash, which I use all the time. This is the travel size. I got the indigo calming cream, and then these like oil blotting sheets. So with these 3 items, I got this little bag free. I also got a full size of the indigo calming cream. This is the one where the cream itself is a blue, and it's really good for sensitive skin. And then I got this is the Plump and Dewy Skin Trio. What's cool about these gift boxes is that they come with this Japanese like wrapping paper. So if you want, you can gift this, open this up, and then you kind of wrap it around, and it looks really pretty. You can use it on this or, you know, another gift, but this is for me. So this comes again with the rice wash. You get the dewy skin cream and then the dewy skin serum. So with all those, I also got this 4-piece gift. This was the mystery gift. You get the Hinoki body cream, eye cream, serum. Oh, actually there's 2 pieces in here. And then 2 of the silk serum. So it's a 5-piece gift. And then Kosau had a similar promo where everything was, I think, 25% off site-wide, and then you get a free gift with like a $150 purchase. The gifts changed out throughout the days, but I really like this little bag. I always use these bags to hold the travel sizes of shampoo, especially the foil samples, because if I'm going on a very short, like a weekend trip, and I don't want to bring a whole thing of shampoo, I'll just throw in one little foil sample to wash my hair. So this was the free gift bag. I got a deluxe shampoo, and then I think I got a deluxe conditioner, which I don't know where that is. But the items I purchased were just a replenishment of my favorite. This is the Extensioniste collection, because my skincare goals are always to grow my hair long. And then I just got a replenishment of my favorite shampoo and conditioner. This is the Extensioniste collection. It's meant for growing your hair long. So depending on what kind of hair you have, they have like the Curl Manifesto or the purple shampoo and conditioner if your hair is, you know, blonde. And then I got this new oil. This is the Oleo Relax Advanced oil. I really like their Ultime, but I figured I'd try this one. This is supposed to help if your hair is voluminous and unruly. And then I went in store and got just a few things from Ulta. They had a bunch of things that were 50% off. So the first was the Este Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And this is in a limited edition grapefruit scent, which I love. For the holidays, they also come out with peppermint, and unfortunately that already sold out. So I love their repair cream. This is so good for, especially if you have eczema. I use this on my son, he has eczema, and just like really rough patches, like elbows, feet. I just use this all over, and it was 50% off. And then just browsing around in store, I ended up buying one of the new e.l.f. Glow Reviver lip oil. This is supposed to be kind of a dupe for the Dior lip oil. I mean, a lot of brands do lip oils, and this is what I'm wearing today. This is more of a brownie shade, but it's just like a warm beige. And I think it was like $6, $7, $8. This is in the shade Honey Talks. There were so many Dyson promos going on. I already own the Dyson Airwrap. I have the Dyson Air Straight, which is probably my most used right now. But I picked up the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer because it's in the matching blue and pink shade. This matches my Airwrap. I have the same color. And I think this was, I haven't even opened it yet, but these are all the attachments that it comes with inside. This is so heavy. It arrived so fast. The Dyson hair stylers are on sale at a lot of different retailers. I'll include all the links below for, you know, the ones that are still active. I actually got this one from Ulta because I had a $125 Ulta reward, like points that you redeem for $125. And then I think I had a store credit. So anyway, it was such a good deal. I couldn't pass it up. Oh, it also has the case. Look how cool. So now I have the whole set. But if you're debating between one of the Dyson stylers, I guess start with the Airwrap because it has the most attachments. And then between the Dyson Airwrap and the Air Straight, those have also like a built-in hair dryer just to do like a damp dry. So I didn't really need this hair dryer, but for the days that I didn't want to straighten my hair or like wrap it or curl it, I figured I would use the hair dryer. I finally picked up the Este Lauder Blockbuster Holiday Set. I showed this online in a couple videos, and I already purchased the Lancome version, which is in a gold case, but I wanted to get this one this year. It has a like red velvet case. This one has such a great value. All the products inside have a value of $615, and you can buy this for $85. So you're getting $615 worth of products for $85. This is a purchase with purchase, so you have to buy something from Este Lauder in order to purchase this like add-on. So I got this also Este Lauder travel set. I really like this because it has two of the eye pencils that are double-ended. So you have the like brown and bronze, and then the black and kind of like a champagne eyeliners, and then the mascara. I was actually just gonna buy one eyeliner, and then when I saw this set was available, I figured it was a good deal. And I'll show you what it looks like because it is so cool. So you have the red velvet case. It's like a little train case with a handle at the top. I already unzipped it. You have a zip pocket in the front. From the pictures, I couldn't tell if it was like two pouches, but this is an attached pocket on the front. And then when you unzip it all the way around, you have all the products are displayed like so. So you have a full size, I believe, eye makeup remover. You have a full size cleanser, gel cream, night serum, 2 lipsticks, mascara, eye makeup remover. You just get a bunch of stuff. And then the front pocket here comes with the eyeshadow palette. And you can choose between 2 different shades. Here's the mascara. I don't want to mess up the tissue paper because I'll probably be gifting this, but that's the eyeshadow palette. All right, I think I chose the wrong one, but this is actually not too bad. This is more of the cool tone colors, but these are actually very pretty. Okay, maybe I'll keep this. So very cute little set. Even the zipper pulls are the same velvet, and then the zipper pull in the front is, I think the theme is like a celestial star or something, but that's the zipper pull on the front. Super cute little gift. And then finally from Chanel, I placed an order with the Chanel Beauty Boutique. If you watch my video where I reviewed all of the Chanel holiday sets, I did a sneak peek of 2 more that were coming out. They were supposed to both come out on Black Friday, but they released the skincare one early. I don't know why, so I already shown that one. But once this became available, I ordered the new set that came out for Black Friday. This is called the Light the Way. And oh wait, before I show you inside, I got a few new little gifts. I did a whole video talking about how to get these little gifts with purchase. Isn't that so cute? You get a little tiny Chanel No. 5 bottle, and this is the holiday package. So yeah, check that video out because I talk about all the different holiday gifts, like VIP, VIC gifts. I talk about the snow globe that they release every year and give to VIP clients But here is another gift. I already have this one, but it's so cute. I got another one of their ornaments. Very nice. This is the new navy camellia. It matches. I got an extra little navy camellia also on the bag. This is the same navy blue, like a dark blue color. Same color as the Chanel holiday sets. And then another little ornament. I got this in another order, and I feel like they took the red camellia from last year and glued it together. I thought it was something that my sales advisor did herself, but I guess they just did that. I don't know, like all the stores, because I have a few now, or a couple. She included another little holiday charm. I have a bunch of these now. There are 3 different versions. I linked them all on a paperclip bracelet to wear as kind of like a charm bracelet, but these are so cute. And then she included this little pouch in the flat box, and it is so cute. I already own this one and I love this. It's just a canvas Chanel pouch. It has the black leather tassel zipper pull, but this one is so cute because it has a little divider interior, and then also inside you have this super cute little Chanel mirror that's attached to this ribbon. Very cute. This was from the summer, so they must have had an extra of these, but it's so cute. Even the zip pouch on the inside has the Chanel zipper pull in black. Very cute. Thank you to my Chanel beauty advisor. But here again is the holiday set. This is a live unboxing. I haven't opened this one up yet. Again, check out my video where I talk about all the different holiday sets because I did sneak peeks of this. So I already know what's inside, but on the back it shows what is included inside. The pouch is the white beige little tweed makeup bag, and then inside you have the full Le Beige eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Warm, which I already own, so I will be gifting this probably to my mom. But I love these eyeshadow palettes. If you haven't tried them already, they all come with the black Chanel velvet pouch, and then it's just a very neutral set of colors. You have 2 eyeshadow brush applicators. Those are the colors. Very pretty. And then inside we have the Le Beige Healthy Lip Balm in the shade Medium, which I think this is red. I can swatch it. Okay, nice little flush of color. I like, again, that everything is individually wrapped, because in the past years, the contents of the holiday sets are usually wrapped in tissue paper and then put inside here. But these come individually wrapped, so very nice. This retailed for $111. This was available online. I posted as soon as it dropped on the website, and I believe it is probably sold out. But again, make sure you follow me on my Instagram because I'll post if they restock. And the other sets have been restocking at various retailers, so turn on notifications if you've been waiting. But this is the final Chanel holiday set this year, Light the Way makeup set with the eyeshadow and lip balm. All right, guys, that is everything that I picked up during my Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Cyber Week shopping haul in store and online. I will post everything and link everything in the description below, and I'll post some current like active deals because a lot of these are still going on. Unfortunately, the Chanel one has sold out, but again, follow me if you're looking for restocks because they do pop up sporadically throughout the month of December. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Black Friday haul for Vlogmas Day 1. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 1. I hope you stick around for the rest of Vlogmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.